Operating instructions for the SpineCheck app.
SpineCheck app is a revolutionary software that helps you to observe, assess, and correct your working posture while sitting and standing. To start the SpineCheck app, you need to first register for free. Please enter your first and family name as well as a valid email address and secure password to protect your data. You will now be asked to answer a few questions about your age, work, and leisure time. After that, you will be asked about your current complaints. All this data remains anonymous. They will be used to evaluate your progress later on. Please go back to the login and fill out the form. You can unlock your password with facial recognition. You are now almost ready to go. At the beginning of a new session, the mobile phone has to be placed on a stable mount. The selfie camera needs free view on head, shoulders, and trunk of the user in order to work properly. You can check this on the screen. You now have the option to choose between 3 different degrees of correction. Beginner is easy adjustment of parameters. Average is mean setting of parameters. And Advanced is strict setting of parameters. Hello, welcome to the first session of SpineCheck. Sit comfortably and symmetrically in your seat. Now straighten your chest vertically over your pelvis. Do the same with your head above your chest. Your shoulders rest on your chest and you breathe calmly and evenly. The keyboard is so close to your seat that your upper arms hang vertically and your wrists rest loosely on the surface. If this posture feels good to you, start the first measurement. You now have 10 seconds to assume an upright and comfortable working posture. This allows the app to use this as a starting point for the next work session. After that, the screen goes dark until a correction becomes necessary. After the calibration phase is over, the recording of your working posture starts automatically. When launched, you can stop the recording at any time by touching the screen and then clicking on End Session. At the end of a working phase, SpineCheck app displays you a summary. It shows duration of the session and the corrections needed. You can also compare your working sessions with each other to detect changes in behavior and, if necessary, react to them now your first session is completed. To start a new session later, you start right from the calibration of your initial posture. Of course, from now on, the setup is not available. However, you can always change your setup in the settings. In the next update, SpineCheck app will interpret the achieved tracking results and give the user advice how to manage with them in the future. Very good. You have clearly improved on your previous measurements. Keep up your efforts to reach an upright posture. Soon you won't need me anymore. Keep it up. You have improved slightly compared to the previous period. Train your back muscles a little with each correction and you will soon do even better. You have still lost your upright posture quite often. This will come back to you if you train your postural muscles intensively every time you correct your posture. Then you are sure of success. Your last records show that you are not making any progress. This is unusual. You should seek professional help to address the underlying causes.